everyone. Welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining. Today's episode we will know 10 interiors that display brilliant bathroom lighting ideas. So let's start today's episode. Number 1. Look to bathroom mirror lighting. Want to actually be able to see your face in the bathroom mirror when you're washing it, putting on makeup? Grouping bathroom lighting over, and to the side of, a mirror will ensure that they're working where they're most needed. Bouncing the light off the mirrored glass will help a narrow or small bathroom feel bigger, too. Win-win. Number 2. Use bathroom wall lights to create a focal point. Using bathroom wall lights strategically to highlight a particular zone in the bathroom is a neat design trick that will help your room feel well designed. Here, it's the vanity unit that's being drawn attention to with bathroom wall lights that make for a practical lighting solution too. Number 3. Match bathroom lighting fixtures to existing fittings. To pull together your bathroom decor, think about how the different materials will interact. Marble looks great when contrasted with a brass or gold finish, while tile will look great with a cool toned metal or chrome. For a really defined, smart look, match the lighting fixtures to the finish of all the other fittings. Number 4. Add color with bathroom lighting. We love the color scheme going on in this bathroom. It's fun, it's quirky, and really brings to life the small space. The cute coral lighting really completes the look, drawing together the colors in the wall art and the sink. Also note how the lights hand down right in front of the mirror. Not only does this double the color, it also means even more light is going to be reflected around the room. Number 5. Go for simple exposed bulbs. For a bathroom lighting idea that's classic and timeless, choose glass pendant lights. They're an excellent alternative to built-in wall lights for a more contemporary twist on the traditional bathroom decor. These hanging exposed bulbs are simple and yet really stylish and are placed perfectly for lighting up the mirror and creating a really visually satisfying focal point. Number 6. Go for a simple pared back look. Love a minimalist, unfussy bathroom design that looks timeless and elegant? You need a really nice pendant light, and no other lighting will be necessary. Choose frosted glass or ceramic for a soft and understated look, or a brass pendant for a bolder, more graphic look. Again, talk to an electrician before you buy. Number 7. Choose industrial style lighting for a modern look. Love the indoor-outdoor space blending trend? It's not just about making the outdoors look like indoors. It can work the other way around too. If you want to bring a bit of industrial, outdoorsy chic into your bathroom, try fitting wall lights designed for the exterior. Number 8. Create a feature in a small bathroom. If you're working with a small bathroom, your task is to add dimension and mimic the illusion of space. A glass pendant is the perfect bathroom lighting. Plus is a nice way to add subtle drama, and the diffused light effect will visually enhance the space, drawing attention to the interesting shapes rather than to the size of the room. Number 9. Hand pendant lighting in groups. Loving the whole vibe of this bathroom. Also loving how the cluster of pendant lights are a super practical solution for softly lighting above the bath, but work perfectly with the style of the room. They bring a touch of that industrial drama but don't draw too much focus in this already quite busy bathroom. Number 10. Go bold with your bathroom lighting. When we say bold, we mean chandelier. And if you're blessed with a large bathroom, the world is your oyster when it comes to bathroom lighting. So to really make the most of the big space, get a statement chandelier. It will work, and traditional bathrooms do especially well with a vintage-style glass chandelier like the one below. Today our episode so far. If you like our video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And EA Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.